Are you having trouble with Face ID not recognizing your face on your iPhone? This can happen due to software glitches, settings issues, or if the Face ID setup needs to be recalibrated. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and resolve the face not recognized issue on your iPhone effectively. Solution 1: enable these very important settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require attention for Face ID, attention aware features. Also enable haptic on successful authentication. Solution 2: alternate or rest Face ID. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode, scroll down, tap Setup and Alternative Face ID. Follow the on-screen process to complete. If you can't even use this feature, then go back, scroll down, and tap Reset Face ID. After resetting, tap Setup Face ID and follow the prompts to set it up again. This can help fix any recognition issues that may have developed. If you still have issues, enable Turn Tone from Control Center. Tap and hold your brightness slide, enable True Tone, and turn off Low Power Mode. Also, you can try to update your iPhone too if that works or not, or give your iPhone a reset all settings. This will definitely help unless you have hardware issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Face ID not recognizing your face on your iPhone. If the issue persists, it might indicate a hardware problem and contacting Apple support would be advisable. Let me know if these steps helped or if you have further questions.